Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss our fourth method, that is Newton-Raphson method. That is another root finding method. The Newton-Raphson method, also known as the Newton method, is the way to get quickly find a good approximation for the root of real valued function, that is f of x is equals to 0. It uses the idea that a continuous and differentiable function can be approximated via a straight line tangent to it. Now we will have to discuss the Newton-Raphson method's algorithm. It will start with start, and we have to read the function f of x1, e, n, and d. E is the initial x is the initial guess, e is the absolute error, n is operational loop, and d is for checking slope. Now we have to apply for loop with the start of I is equals to 1 to n in the second step, and for in the fourth step f is equals to f of x, and fifth step f is equals to f dash, मतलब x1 का डिफरेंशियल एफ ऑफ एक्स का डिफरेंशियल लेंगे तो एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स आएगा, जो कि एफ वन के इक्वल हो जाएगा. सिक्स स्टेप में अपन क्या करेंगे, जो एफ वन है वो डी से कम होना चाहिए अगर उसको डिस्प्ले करना है स्लोप को, अदरवाइज अपन आगे बढ़ जाएंगे 11th स्टेप की तरफ अगर ये कम है तो. अगर नहीं है तो अपन 7th स्टेप की तरफ चलेंगे, जो कि एक्स वन को इक्वल करता है एक्स माइनस एफ डिवाइड बाई एफ वन की. 8th स्टेप में हम क्या करेंगे कि चेक करेंगे कि एक्स वन माइनस एक्स और डिवाइड करेंगे उसको एक्स से, वो ई से छोटा है कि नहीं है. अगर वो ई से छोटा रहता है तो उसके अपन रूट को डिस्प्ले कर देंगे, अगर नहीं रहता है तो नहीं करेंगे. 9th स्टेप में अपन एक्स की वैल्यू ले लेंगे एक्स वन की इक्वल और एंड कर देंगे यहाँ पे लूप को. उसके बाद में अपन डिस्प्ले कर देंगे कि यह सॉल्यूशन डज नॉट कन्वे और स्टॉप हो जाएंगे. Now we will have to discuss the flow chart of Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method starts. Now we have to define the function f of x. Then we have to define the function d f of x, that is differential of f of x. Now we have to get the value of x0, error, and maximum iteration. Now we have to apply the for loop with the iteration I to maximum iteration, that is n. Now we have to apply the formula that n is equals to f of x divided by d f of x, that is differential of f of x, and x1 is equals to x0 minus x. Now we have to print the iteration and the value of x. Now we have to check with the error. If it is so, then print the solution. Otherwise x0 is equals to x of x1 and end the loop, and it will say the solution does not convey. Now we have to discuss the C program of the Newton-Raphson method. It includes the studio.h and mat.h, two libraries, and function that's name is f has a floating variable x, and it defines the equation that is x into log 10 of x minus 1.2, that is our equation, and another function that is named as df. It also get the float x variable. It has the equation log 10x plus 0.43429. Now the main function will begin, that will get the value, iteration and maximum iteration, x1, x0, and error from the user, and scanf it. Now we have to begin the for loop with the iteration 0 to the iteration maximum. Now we have to print the value of iteration and x1. We have to check with the fab that error should be less than error should be higher than fab, otherwise it will not converge. If the fab of x is less than the error, or we can say absolute error, then we have to print the iteration and the solution. Otherwise we have to say x0 is equals to x1. Now we have to print that solution does not convey if the value of error is less than fab. Thank you so much.